In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a new LinkedIn account step by step so you can get started the right way in just a few minutes. Whether you're creating LinkedIn for job hunting, networking, building your personal brand, or setting up a professional profile for the first time, this guide will walk you through everything clearly and safely. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to linkedin.com. Once the site loads, look for the Join Now button on the homepage and click it. You may also be taken directly to the sign-up page, which works just the same. Now you'll need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure you use a personal email that you can access, because LinkedIn will send you a verification code during the sign-up process. If you want to make things faster, you can also choose Continue with Google, which lets you use your Google account to start the setup. Next, LinkedIn will ask for your name. It's important to use your real first and last name here, because company names, nicknames, or fake names are not allowed on the platform. This helps keep your profile professional and compliant with LinkedIn's rules. After that, you'll be prompted to add your location. Choose your country or region carefully, since this helps LinkedIn tailor your feed, recommendations, and opportunities to your area. Then continue through the on-screen setup steps. You may be asked about your current job title, industry, school, or whether you're looking for work. Fill these out as accurately as possible, because LinkedIn uses this information to build your profile and suggest relevant connections. Now comes the security step. Complete the CAPTCHA if it appears, and then check your email for the 6-digit verification code LinkedIn sends you. Enter that code on the website to confirm your account and finish the sign-up process. Once that's done, you'll be inside your new LinkedIn account and ready to begin setting up your profile. At this point, you can add a profile photo, write your headline, update your experience, and start connecting with people in your industry. The more complete your profile is, the better your chances of getting discovered by recruiters, clients, and professional contacts. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for a new LinkedIn account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.